Hello, friends. Welcome to Glaigo. Today, we will talk about an innovation that has made a big impact in the technology world. Amazon's Nova Act AI agent. Announced on March 31st, 2025, this artificial intelligence can shop for you, fill out forms, and even make reservations by controlling your web browser. So how does this technology work? How will it change our lives? And why is it so important? Let's take a deep look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Here we go. Imagine this. You tell an AI to find me the cheapest flight and make a reservation, and it opens the browser and does all the work for you. That's exactly what Nova Act does. Developed by Amazon's AGI lab in San Francisco, the agent can navigate the web like a human. For example, in a demo video, Nova Act is told to find an apartment that's 10 minutes by bike from the train station. The agent goes to a real estate site, sets the filters, scans the options, and presents the result to you. This ability comes from Amazon's Nova models. Introduced in December 2024, these models were already strong at processing text and images. Nova Act, on the other hand, focuses on web navigation. It can click buttons, fill out forms, and even deal with pop-ups. Amazon says this agent recognizes on-screen text and interfaces with over 90% accuracy, so it can even deal with those complicated date pickers. Now let's get a little technical, but it won't be boring, I promise. Nova Act was trained using Amazon's reinforcement learning and robotics-inspired technologies. It uses visual perception to understand web pages, meaning it can recognize an icon or text and decide what to do. For example, it can find and click on the Pay button. Another strength of the agent is its system of what we call atomic commands. It breaks a complex task into smaller pieces: search, select, fill, confirm. Developers can customize these commands. For example, you can add an instruction like reject insurance ad. Amazon also compared Nova Act's performance with its competitors. In the ScreenSpot test, it achieved 94% success in interacting with on-screen text, which is better than OpenAI's 88% computer use agent. However, there is no full benchmark in larger tests yet. It also comes with a Python-based SDK, which allows developers to design their own agents. For example, you could make an agent that automatically delivers grocery orders every week. The real deal about Nova Act is this: it will soon integrate with Alexa Plus. Yes, your familiar voice assistant won't just tell you the weather anymore. When you say book a table at a restaurant, it will open the browser and complete the reservation. This is part of Amazon's plan to reach its 200 million plus Prime subscribers. So, where is this going? Amazon's vision for AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. The Nova Act grew out of the AGI lab led by former OpenAI researchers David Luan and Peter Abil. This is the first step towards systems that can do everything humans can do on a computer, Luan says. Amazon plans to invest $100 billion in AI by 2025 and has given $8 billion in support to Anthropic. The Nova Act is just the beginning of this massive plan. How will the Nova Act affect our lives? First, the time savings are incredible. From shopping to booking, daily tasks can be automated. It can further increase Amazon's dominance in e-commerce. Imagine how competitors will compete if this agent manages the entire process. In the business world, efficiency can also increase in areas such as IT tasks or campaign management. But rivals are not sitting idle. OpenAI's operator focuses on broad tasks like vacation planning. Anthropic's Claude is focused on security. Google's Deep Research is designed for research. The Nova Act's advantage? Cost. It's said to be 75% cheaper than its competitors. Of course, there are debates too. An AI that tracks your web activities is a privacy risk. You might think, Amazon already knows everything about us, but this is on another level. Also, will all this automation lead to job losses? These are still open questions. Yes, Nova Act is currently in the research phase, but its potential is huge. AI managing the web for us is both exciting and a little scary, right? What do you think? Would you use Nova Act or would you worry about privacy? Write in the comments, I'm curious. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Glaigo, and turn on the bell. See you in the next technology. Bye.